How to fix nickname problem in Messenger. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. If you are not being able to change the nickname, first thing first, you have to make sure that you have updated your app. Head over to your Play Store, simply search for Messenger. If your application shows update, tap on update and update your app. Now see if updating your app fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below, then tap on Apps. Here again, search for Messenger. Tap on Messenger, then tap on Storage. Likewise, tap on Clear Cache and also tap on Clear Data. Before deleting your data, make sure that you read all these, then tap Delete. Once done, come back onto App Info page. Tap on Set as Default and make sure that you untoggle this button. Now come back, tap on Force Stop, then OK. Likewise, once you do all this, restart your device, get logged into your Messenger, and this shall work. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.